Hey, it's the bird turd, and today we're going to go over the 144,000 and we're going to calculate the number of the beast. So at the National Library of Medicine, we are at Homo sapien chromosome 17 clone complete sequence. And it is here we find out that Homo sapiens have 144,000 base pairs in their DNA. Our DNA has two strands. It is a double helix. And to back up what I'm saying, we are at the University of Nebraska. In this article it says, why is DNA right-handed? They go on to say the DNA of every organism on Earth is a right-handed double helix. Francis Crick and James Watson announced the discovery of DNA's double helical structure in 1953. In this article from the National Library of Medicine, the triple helix 50 years later, the outcome. And in here they talk about the same guys that last article was talking about and how they are working on making them a triple helix. So now that we know that we originally have a double helix with 144,000 base pairs, we take 144,000 divided by 2 and it gives us how many base pairs per strand, which is 72,000 per strand. Now I'm going to take you to Moderna patents, the intellectual property of that. Okay, we're going to go to 10703.789. And this is the patent to the you-know-what. Okay. And in this patent, it says, according to the present invention, the mRNA and primary constructs may be administered with or further encode one or more RNA agents, blah, blah, blah. Down here, it says that induce triple helix formation. So that just told us that the present invention, this invention, induces a triple helix formation in our DNA. So with that third strand would add 72,000 to the 144,000 that we already have, in which the total equals 216,000. Now remember that number. Okay, on to calculating the number. Okay, so we find out that in the Greek, the number of the beast is not 666, it is the numerals 660 and 6. There's the Greek numerals. So as you know in math equations, when you have numbers sitting next to each other without symbols, you multiply them. So the number of the beast is 600 times 60 times 6. Bam! Dang!
DNA is a molecule in our cells that acts a little bit like an instruction manual to grow a human, maintain a human, and have it go on to make new little humans as well. Now the DNA molecule is a chiral molecule, which means it has a particular handedness. It spirals either one way or the other. And the word chiral comes from the Greek for hand. Now there's three main forms of DNA, but it's the B form which is the most common, and it has a right-handed double helix structure.